Polybutylene pipe, also known as Poly-B, gained popularity in residential construction during the 80s and 90s due to the low cost and ease of installation. Unfortunately, homeowners discovered that this plumbing material had a significant flaw that tended to fail too fast, resulting in leaks and the need for replacement. Over time, the polybutylene pipe becomes brittle and prone to cracking, allowing water to escape. Leaks can occur anywhere along the pipeline, causing damage to walls, ceilings, and floors. Not only do leaks lead to water damage, but they can also occur suddenly with no warning, resulting in unexpected problems and the need for immediate repairs. Due to frequent plumbing issues, many people with Poly-B installed in their home decide to replace their entire plumbing system to solve the potential problem. This type of work is called repipe or repiping and should be done by an experienced professional. It is detailed work and requires a professional to make sure the work is done correctly. Disruptions are minimal while the work is being done and can usually be finished in one day. If your home has polybutylene pipe you want removed, call us for a professional solution. We've been repiping homes for decades and have the experience to get the job done quickly and efficiently.